back to Do It on a Dime with Kathryn. Today I'm sharing with you an amazing entryway makeover organizing tips you do not want to miss. Some of these are life-changing. Oh, and by the way, they are all on a budget. It's gonna look so good. Today I'm sharing with you my friend Nicole's entryway. She's got 3 adorable kids and she needed a space for all of their stuff. Oh, look at your shoes. You would not believe what she found on Facebook Marketplace. It's basically like a garage sale that's on Facebook for $400, a giant entryway organizer. People sell this type of stuff all the time. The problem is that it was an orange red. So over the course of a couple nights, we had a painting party and used chalk paint to paint this white. Hey, Nicole. She is painting the top with the roller, and then I'm going through just with the chalk brush, which is really important. You wanna make sure you have a chalk brush. Painting the faces of the cabinets. So this is gonna look so good. I love using chalk paint because it is forgiving. You can touch it up as many times as you want and there's no prep work involved. In just a few hours, we did a few coats of chalk paint and then finished it off with a clear polyacrylic finish so it would have lots of longevity. Something like this would retail for thousands of dollars and she was able to do it for just a couple $100. Keep love alive. Keep love alive. So rather than have all 4 drawers, she actually took some of the drawers out and then she was able to take those drawers upstairs and use them underneath of her son's bed for extra storage. So if you have an old dresser or something you find at the thrift store, that's a great way to give a space custom storage on a really small budget. Now that entire space down below is open for kids' shoes and she has some drawers for the extras that she rotates out. Another trick that I love to create custom labels in any space is to take Dollar Tree name cards, glue down the stand to the back, and then hot glue it right onto any basket or bin. It gives it a super elegant and custom look, and now she has tons of storage on the built-ins. Things like sports and winter and summer, so she can easily get to them, but they stay hidden. What I love about going into other people's homes and watch the process of organizing unfold is that I always learn something too.
One tip when we were creating this whole thing that I wanted to incorporate, what we do with our socks. So I got really tired of, we were all ready to get out the door and my kids did not have socks on. So now we use one of these 31 bags. We put the socks inside right there, and instead of having to run upstairs, the kids grab their socks from the bag and we're done. That is a little extra time.
The smartest thing ever. Leave this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Hit that subscribe button. I hope it inspired you to check out an online garage sale because you really can create a home that you love that's beautiful and organized on any budget. I love you guys and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye. Oh, this romper has pockets in it. How did I not know this had pockets? Oh, my life just got infinitely better.